Let's learn how to use bulk versioning to update multiple files in your Stockpress workspace at once. Let's take a look at this InDesign package. It has a links collection, a fonts collection, the InDesign file, and an exported PDF. If changes are made to this InDesign file and you want to upload a new package without having to version each file separately, bulk versioning is a perfect option. On my desktop here, I have the folder containing my design package where I've made a few updates. I added some new files to the links folder and exported a new PDF. Let's update this whole folder in Stockpress. From the collection preview, let's select bulk versioning in the More menu. I'll grab the replacement folder from my desktop. In order to automatically version a file, it has to be the same file type. So for example, an InDesign file or a JPEG. It also has to have the same file name. Any files without matches, in my case, the new images I added to the links folder, will be added as new files to your workspace. Once it's complete, new files will be added, and you can see your old file versions in your single file view here on the Versions tab.